This is a... Oh, yeah? How'd you like to go to fucking Dominican Republic? Some free drinks on me. I thought so. All right, never mind. All right, so let's take these fuckers on the road, baby. And there was some truck driving sons of bitches out there.
Yeah.
There was some chicks like to drive trucks too.
Oh, yeah.
Come on down, right? Talking about, yeah, baby. Hey, she makes you look like a pussy. Yeah. Dealers in SUV. The company follow you downtown to one of their hardest lots, right? Back in the door, this fella opened up, he said, "Will you let me bitch, huh?" I said, "No, I'm touching the bucket." He said, "I'm drunk." Come on in. Pretty soon we got honky tonk in. We checked the Springville Inn, nice hotel. In the morning she says, "I love you, Hank." Then she starts to twitch, right? Morning she says, "I love you," and starts to twitch. It's tough, man. I was gonna go out to Hallmark, get her card. I just said, "Sorry, baby, I gotta go. I'm a truck driver, son of a bitch."